Hola, Data Nation. What's new in your world? Oh, really? Yes. Oh, tell me more. Interesting. Yes. Hey, okay, yeah. Yeah, I gotta start the show. Okay. All right, thanks. Yeah, okay, love you too. Bye. Geez, some people, am I right? I might be going crazy.
Crazy about data.
Okay, and we're back with our How to Generate More E-commerce Sales Using Google Analytics series. Today is part 3, Shopping Behavior. Let's go! Google Analytics Shopping Behavior Report provides a high-level breakdown of how visitors proceed through each step in the buying process, from the moment they land on your site down to add to carts and finally purchases. A well-optimized online shopping experience should see fewer funnel abandonments as the visitor progresses through the funnel. The ultimate goal is to have as many users progress to each subsequent step through to checkout, and the higher the percentage progression, the better. In this example, we see about half of all website sessions make it through to a product page, with the other 176,000 leaving with no shopping activity. Once on a product page, only about 10% add something to cart, with the other 90% of visitors leaving the site. The significant drop-off here is something we need to optimize. Of all the add to cart sessions, over 50% of those then proceed to the checkout page. This is our highest performing step in the process, which shows we've done a good job with the add to cart page. Once on the checkout page, only 14% of users complete a transaction. Looking at the funnel as a whole, our two biggest points of optimization include getting users to add products to cart and getting them to check out. However, the further down the transaction funnel a user gets, the more likely they are to buy, so our main focus should be on the checkout to transaction stage. If you're in a similar boat, here are some experiments you can try out. Create a checkout abandonment pop-up with an incentive such as 15% off if they check out in the next 10 minutes. There are a ton of apps available for platforms like Shopify that will allow you to catch these users. Next, offer free shipping. A lot of times we see checkout abandonments because the user goes through the whole process and realizes that they have to pay an additional $5, $10, $20 in shipping costs. Finally, offer more payment options. A few years back, we implemented PayPal as an alternative payment option for a client, and their transactions increased 30% in the first month. You can also include Apple Pay and Amazon Pay as options. Alrighty, and that wraps up today's video. If you think I'm going crazy, comment your favorite therapist down below so I can add them to my next visualization. Stay tuned for our 4th and final video on the How to Generate More E-commerce Sales Using Google Analytics series. And as always, subscribe to get datafied.